diagnosed with having breast cancer, they also informed me that they will obviously be removing breast tissue as part of the mastectomy, and that if I was willing to consent to them preserving some of the tissue that they didn't need for my tests, that they could use that for research. And I just thought that's completely logical and consented immediately to that. I was actually shocked initially that there wasn't already a tissue bank.
The Breast Cancer Campaign Tissue Bank is a world first in that it brings together scientists and clinicians in 4 core centres to provide human tissues that other scientists out with those centres can then make use of. It's brought together the National Health Service with universities, with Campaign, and we believe this is really going to change the way that science gets into the clinic.
Ready access to tissue samples was a major obstacle for most researchers, and Breast Cancer Campaign really listened to that and then set about the process of setting up this initiative.
There are res subtypes of breast cancer, so we know now that breast cancer is at least 5 different subtypes. So if you were to say 10% of cases have this rare subtype, and with the Breast Cancer Campaign Tissue Bank we'll be able to develop a new therapy, you're talking about maybe 2,000 lives saved per year. For me, the ultimate goal is to be able to say at some point, nobody is dying from breast cancer.
Well, we know that the tissue bank is going to cost £10 million, and because of the tremendous support of 2 really fantastic sponsors early on in the project, we've managed to secure half of the funding that we need.
I think it's really exciting, but it's also really quite humbling that by my consenting to my tissue being taken, not disposed of, but taken and used, can enable future treatments to be developed. And I'm very happy to take part in that in any way I can.